This week, we'll learn how to remove and install your handlebar grips.
For this job, you'll need some replacement grips, a long slim screwdriver or similar metal tool, a 5 or 6 mm Allen key to loosen your levers and shifters, some hairspray, and some WD-40 to loosen the grips. While I don't recommend using WD-40 as a lubricant anywhere on your bike, this is one of the few times where it works well. If you have bar plugs, you should remove these first. You'll also likely have to loosen the brake and shift levers and slide them in toward the middle of the handlebar. This will give us room to slide our screwdriver into the end of the grip. Once you've got the screwdriver inside the grip, insert the WD-40 tube and give it a squirt or two. It doesn't take much to get the grip loose enough so that you can easily wiggle it all the way off the end of the bar. Before installing the new grips, make sure you wipe off the bars first. If you're reinstalling the old grips, make sure you let the grip air dry for a few minutes first, so the WD-40 you used to remove it has time to evaporate. Now spray a squirt or two of hairspray into the grip, and quickly work it onto the bar while the hairspray is still wet. It'll dry sticky and keep your grips in place. Then move your brake and shift levers back to where they were and tighten them.